Hello, 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 my gorgeous G Squad. Hope you're feeling just as marvelous as you're looking today. It is wonderful to see you. So today we're going to work with this stamping plate, all kinds of butterflies. We are working on that hand, my left hand, the one that has all the clear nails on it, and it's got butterflies embedded in it. So I thought, I don't want to change the set, same as the other hand. I will link that up here for you. We did this on Monday. I don't want to change the set. I just want to do fills. So I've done my fills already, and I just thought we'd decorate these together. So we're going to steer into the butterflies because there's already butterflies in there. And we are going to use this pretty plate, and I'm using two different colors, the blue and the green. And we're stamping this really pretty butterfly right on that thumbnail. And then on one of the wings, it didn't transfer correctly. So I'm just adding a little polish there to make it correct. And then on the ring finger, we are going to do a purple and yellow butterfly. I'm really digging the two tones, so I'm just sticking with that. I just think it looks really good. And because the butterflies that are embedded in the nails are just shift colors, they're definitely like a holographic situation. All of the colors will just sort of pick up on each other. Now these are layered stamps on these butterflies, so we're going to go ahead and use black to add the details on top. Look at how pretty this is. And of course, I'm using one of my other fingernails to pull off any extras that I don't want to go on the nail. Look at that. Came out so pretty. We're going to do the same thing with the other butterfly. And then after we get these stamped, while they dry, which doesn't really take that long, but I like to give them time just to make sure that the gel polish I put over the top has the best chance to not separate, we're going to go ahead and add some stickers. I just thought some flowers and some swooshies would be really, really pretty with the butterflies and give it sort of a springtime vibe. We are rapidly approaching summer, but I still want to celebrate spring. So we are just going to give it those spring vibes. And I'm just cutting the pieces I'm going to use and putting them in this little dish of water. That's just my little dap-in dish right there. I normally have alcohol in there, but today it's water. The flour just slides right off, and then I'm able to put it exactly where I want to put it. Really nice. Now I'm going to put a little swoosh on here, but I'm going to show you how you need to be careful, because while I'm putting that swoosh on, I'm using my other finger to balance I'm using the finger to balance, and it pulled the sticker right off with it. See that? See? I'm trying to put it back on, won't work. Dipped it in water, put it back on. So be careful. Once you've got them where you want them, don't touch them again because they are going to move. So just be careful. Just a little warning. Now, a couple of these stickers, I was a little off camera, so I'm just going to show you a few. Like I said, today's video, super short, super quick, super easy nails. So for anyone out there that is just in the mood for a really elaborate set that takes almost no time at all, this set's for you. Do some fills. You could do this totally on a solid background as well. I just happen to be wearing clear nails. And look at how pretty it looks when you top coat it, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. They are so cute. But again, this set takes no time at all to complete. You could, if you're doing this for a client, you could charge them for the stickers and still have them out the door so fast and ready to put another client in the chair. So this is a great set for really quick, very effective art. I think this set came out so cute. They're a little busy. There's a lot going on, but I think it all works. I think it works together beautifully. Let me know if you agree with that in the comment section below. And before you go, don't forget to click those buttons because that lets YouTube know that, hey, these videos are worth promoting. So help me get that attention of YouTube by clicking those buttons, leaving me a comment, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.